In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member in Base44 app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly bring new people into your workspace without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and you're looking at the main interface. From here, start by going to the dashboard. This is your home base inside the app, where you can access all the core sections of your workspace. If you're not already on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Dashboard in the main navigation bar and click it. This makes sure we're all starting from the same place. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to move into the data section of the app. At the top or side of your screen, you should see a menu item labeled Data. Go ahead and click on Data. This is where Base44 stores and organizes different types of information, like tasks, projects, and of course, your team members. Inside the data section, you'll see a list of entities or tables. Look for the one called Team Member. This is the area specifically designed to hold information about the people on your team. Click on Team Member to open it. You should now see any existing team members that have already been added. To add someone new, look for a button labeled Add. This is usually positioned near the top right or top left of the team member screen, depending on your layout. Click on Add to open a form where you can enter the new team member's details. Now you'll be looking at a form with several fields to fill in. Type in the details for the person you're adding. This might include their name, role, email address, or any other fields your workspace requires. Take a moment to double check spelling and make sure the information is accurate, since this will be how your team identifies and works with this person in the app. If there are optional fields, you can fill them in if they're helpful for your team, or leave them blank for now. When you're happy with the information you've entered, the final step is to save it. Look for the Submit button at the bottom or top of the form and click on Submit. The new team member will now be added to your team member list and available across your Base44 workspace.